What's up TikTok? Let's teach you how to draw clothes using the mother-in-law theory. See, the thing about clothes or fabric of any kind is the edges of your fabric are in a constant love affair with the ground, which means at any given moment, if you just let a cloth be, it would try to find its way to the ground. Now, let's imagine an obstruction in between. The sphere is like your mother-in-law, always getting in the way. Tut tut. When a cloth falls on the sphere, it stops where it obstructed, but the edges continue to fall downwards. And because the edges are now being obstructed by a surface area smaller than the original cloth, they bunch together and form wrinkles. This is a basic simulation of how cloth works. But of course, this world isn't full of spherical mother-in-laws, so let's make this a little bit more complicated. I'm going to add a cylinder. Now we have a much more complex shape. Let's drop our cloth again and see how this love affair goes. Uh-oh. It got obstructed, but look at this. Now it's taking a new shape. And notice the nook. And this is how we form wrinkles. You can use the same theory when you are creating t-shirts, for example. Let's take a sleeve and let's put it on an arm. Now obviously, just like a ball rolling down a hill, this sleeve is not going to stay at her wrist. It's going to move downwards. Once again, cloth doesn't have anywhere to go, so it bunches up and forms wrinkles. This is the basic of how clothes work. But there's also one more thing to keep in mind. You see, clothes, they have thicknesses. So how can we tell the difference? Well, this one's pretty simple. Thin clothes have a lot of wrinkles and thick clothes have few wrinkles. Hope this helps. Follow for more.